One decision rarely announces itself as life-changing. It usually arrives disguised as an ordinary moment. Ethan discovered that on the morning he stood before two doors. Behind one door was a stable job that promised comfort, routine, and predictable days. Behind the other was an opportunity to restore a struggling community workshop where broken machines and discouraged young people could be given a second chance. The pay was uncertain. The future was unclear. His eyes saw security on one side and risk on the other. For days, his senses argued their case. What if you fail? What if you regret leaving certainty? What if everyone says you were foolish? The questions sounded reasonable because they were. Fear often borrows the voice of wisdom. Yet another voice refused to disappear. It reminded him that every meaningful chapter of his life had begun with uncertainty. Every lesson worth keeping had required trust before understanding. Still, choosing wasn't easy. He imagined empty bank accounts. He imagined disappointed family members. He imagined returning home defeated. But he also imagined waking years later, wondering what might have happened if he had ignored the quiet conviction growing inside him. One future offered immediate peace. The other offered purpose, but demanded courage. At sunrise, Ethan made his decision. He chose the workshop. The first months were harder than anything he expected. The roof leaked whenever rain arrived. Old equipment refused to cooperate. Some teenagers stopped coming after only a few days. People whispered that the project would soon collapse. Everything his senses could measure declared that he had made the wrong choice. Every evening, he was tempted to quit. Then something small began to change. A boy who had once avoided everyone stayed late to repair an old bicycle. A young girl discovered she loved designing simple machines. Neighbors started donating forgotten tools. The workshop slowly filled with laughter instead of silence. The transformation wasn't sudden. It happened one faithful decision at a time. Years later, the building had become more than a workshop. It had become a place where broken confidence was rebuilt alongside broken machines. Many who had entered without direction eventually became skilled workers, mentors, and leaders in their own communities. Visitors praised Ethan's success. Few realized they were standing inside the result of thousands of quiet decisions made when nothing looked promising. Looking back, Ethan understood something he had missed in the beginning. The greatest battle had never been against poverty, uncertainty, or difficult circumstances. It had been against allowing his senses to become his master. His eyes could only see the present. His fears could only imagine loss. But wisdom invited him to choose according to purpose instead of appearances. Not because reality should be ignored, but because reality is often incomplete. Many of life's greatest victories begin long before they become visible. They begin when someone refuses to let temporary circumstances make permanent decisions. Living above the senses is not pretending obstacles don't exist. It is choosing principles over pressure, purpose over comfort, and conviction over fear. Because the life you conquer tomorrow is often decided by the quiet choices you make today.